Today we're talking about the surface area of pyramids. So let's talk about a little bit of the vocabulary here. The altitude or height of each lateral face is called the slant height of the pyramid. Okay, so here we have a square pyramid. Right here is our base, which is a square. We have the slant height. If you come down from the vertex all the way down to the base, this is called slant height. And the variable for slant height is a cursive L. I'm going to use a different color here. This here is a lateral face, and on each lateral face you can see the slant height as well, so that's also the slant height. Okay, let's look at the net of a square pyramid. May help you see the different parts of it. So this is our base. Again, our slant height goes from the vertex, forms a perpendicular line with the base here, the edge. So this is also our slant height. There's a slant height on each one of these lateral faces. This is a lateral face. So you can make a comparison. Our base is here, our base is here. The lateral face is here, which forms the different triangles of our pyramid. The slant height runs from the vertex down to the base, a perpendicular. Okay. Now let's look at a triangular pyramid. So our base here is a triangle. Okay. And here's our vertex, and coming straight from the vertex down to the side, the base, is our slant height. These parts of the pyramid are going to be important when you are finding surface area. Okay, so let's look at the formula for lateral surface area and total surface area. So we're going to start with lateral. I'm going to abbreviate surface area with SA. Lateral surface area is L equals 1/2 big P L. And remember that P is perimeter of the base. Our total surface area is S equals, and you can either say L plus B, or if you want to take it out and do 1/2 perimeter times slant height plus the area of the base, where B is area of the base. Okay, so we have lateral is 1/2 perimeter times the slant height, and total surface area is lateral plus the area of the base. Okay, so let's look at a couple of examples. Here we have a triangular pyramid. So the base of our pyramid is a triangle. Here's that base. Okay, I'm going to start with the perimeter. Move this over a little bit. I'm going to start with the perimeter. And all of my sides are equal. So I have 8 plus 8 plus 8, or you could say 8 times 3 is 24 feet. Now I'm going to find the area of my base. Because this is a triangle, I'm doing 1/2 base times height. Notice that I have this right here, this line with a right angle. That is telling me that that is the height or the altitude of my triangle that is the base. So I'm going to do 1/2 and this is pointing here to the altitude, which is the height, 6.9, and then my base is going to be 8. So the base is 8, and I switched those around, but that's okay. It's multiplying, so it's commutative property. So I have B equals a half, and I would do a half times 8 is 4, and then 4 times 6.9 is 27.6 square feet. So that's the base, this is the perimeter, and now I'm going to substitute those values in for lateral and total. So L is equal to 1/2 times the perimeter times the slant height. So L is 1/2 times 24, and my slant height, remember, goes from the vertex down to the base, which is 9. Half of 24 is 12. 12 times 9 is 108 square feet. That's my lateral. And then my total surface area, I'm going to do lateral plus the area of the base because I've already worked out lateral. And so lateral is 108 square feet plus 27.6, the area of the base. And so my total surface area is 135.6 square feet. Okay, so now let's look at a square pyramid. I'm going to draw a line here and do this in a different color. So we've got a lot fewer numbers here. Since our base is a square, I'm going to do the perimeter as being 4s, 4 times the side. So 4 times 6 is 24. So my perimeter is 24 centimeters. Big B, the area of my base, this is a square, so I'm going to do side squared. So big B is 6 squared, which is 36 square centimeters. Come over and find my lateral. My lateral is 1/2 times the perimeter times the slant height. So lateral is 1/2 times 24 times, remember my slant height is here, 12. Half of 24 is 12. 12 times 12 is 144 square centimeters. That's my lateral. Remember, lateral is all of the faces around, not including the base. And then my total surface area, I already have my lateral and I already have my base, so it's just L plus B. Total surface area is 144 plus 36. So my total surface area is 180 square centimeters. We'll go more in depth in class, but right now what you need to know is to find the perimeter of the base, the area of the base, and then substitute those in for lateral and total surface area.